Storm audio. Oh yeah, nah. Storm. 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 You. I know how you like cardboard boxes, Bear. Yeah, it's still cold being outside, so I'll leave this up. Let's take a. This wouldn't even be up on the rack for at least for a couple of hours. Got to do some test checks. Quick start guide, yep. I'm also a little bit familiar with the manual PDF. That's where I was doing other research. So I'll give this a few hours for temperature and humidity. Rack ears, I don't know. Got a bit of a common fail with one of my second SDDS processors up there, that one there, occurred last night. It's a simple fault. It's a simple fault to fix if I can diagnose the location on the multimeter to which components failed, where the audio signal to the is not passing in. Oh, Bear's already discovered to use this as a scratching post. He's already made his mark. He's already made his mark on the scratch. Oh yeah, he's already made his mark. Look at those claw marks. Yeah, he's kind of given it the trademark, the storm trademark. Yeah, he's given it the ow. Look at those claw marks. Bear Rambo Jitter. The packing that comes with it looks like could be a space station, bigger than the ISS. And all these compartments right there will be docking areas. So spacecraft comes in, it docks here, comes around here, docks, and they will be living compartments and research stations, etc. And all go round down here, round there, round there. And the ISS will be like that size. Boom, compared to all this. But don't ask me, ask NASA.